Good morning, students. We were listening to the story Pelly's new coat. Let's continue it. In the last part, what happens? He thinks that lamb's wool has been growing and his coat is not growing. So I think he wanted to prepare a coat. So he takes the wool and goes to grandmother to make it or clean it. Grandmother cleans it. Then again he goes to one more grandmother. See, he says to spin this wool and make a thread like for this. Taking this wool, the grandmothers makes a thread of that wool so that they can weave it into the coat. Here yarn means to prepare a thread, woolen thread to make sweaters and all. So Pelly tended grandmother's cow and she spun Pelly's yarn. Then Pelly went to a neighbor who was painter and asked him for some paint with which to color this yarn. So the grandmother, what she does, she prepares that wool and makes it a thread like bundle. Then instead of that, Pelly looks after that grandmother's cow. After making the thread, he takes that thread to the neighbor who was a painter and he says that please paint this wool thread. The painter laughed, you can't color your wool with my paint, but if you go to the store to get a bottle of turpentine for me, then you can buy yourself some dye with the money left over. The painter laughs at him and says, you can't paint wool with my paint color, which is used to paint the house. So you have to go to the shop and buy a bottle of turpentine and you can dye it. Means you can color, dye, dye means you can color the wool. And if some money left over means you can make that man to color your wool. Here turpentine means oil used to mix paint. That thing you will get oil that will be used to mix the paint. You can take that and then color your wool. So Pelly went to the store and bought a bottle of turpentine for the painter and blue dye with the money that was left. Then he dyed his wool blue. So what Pelly does, he went to the store, he went to the shop, he brought a bottle of turpentine, bottle of paint, and the money which was left over from that he brought some blue color dye, the color of, so that he can color the woolen, and that woolen was been made into the blue color. Before it was white cotton, then it turned into the blue color. Dyed means to make it color. Then he dyed his wool blue. Then Pelly went to his mother and said, Mother dear, please weave this yarn into cloth for me. After the woolen, that cotton comes into a beautiful bundle of wool with blue color. Then he went to his mother and says, please weave this bundle of woolen to a cloth. I will do that, said his mother, if you take care of your little sister for me. So Pelly took good care of his little sister. Mother weaved the wool into cloth. Mother said, if you take care of your little sister, then I will do it. Then he took care of the little sister and mother weaved that bundle of wool into a small cloth. Then Pelly went to the tailor. Dear Mr. Tailor, please make a suit for me out of this cloth. Indeed, I will if you bring me wood and feed my goats for me, said the tailor. So taking that cloth when it's prepared out of the wool, then Pelly goes to the tailor and says, this is a piece of cloth and please make me a suit for me out of this cloth. Suit means like a coat. Please weave it. Then tailor says, I will do if you go and bring the wood and feed my goats. Then he says, so Pelly got wood and fed his goats. The tailor had Pelly's coat ready. Pelly put on his new suit and went to his lamb and said, thank you very much for my new suit, little lamb. Bah, said the lamb happily. So he does the tailor work. He goes and he feeds the goat and he brought some wood Then the tailor made that Pelli's coat, a piece of cloth, into a beautiful suit, that is coat. He said thank you very much. He wore that coat, and he even said thank you to the lamp. See how clever he was, because of the lamps. As the lamp, on the body of the lamp, what grows? Yeah, body of the lamp, wool grows, and because of that wool, we remove that wool and we prepare sweaters, jackets, shawls, and even the coat. Here so nicely, with the help of his grandmother, with the help of his mother, and doing their work too, he prepared a beautiful coat, because before his coat was too short. Now exactly his size coat was been prepared, and that is because of the lamp. So see, animals are very useful for us. So this was the story of the Pelli's new coat. How beautifully he prepared a coat to wear. Read this story, and if you find some words which are difficult, which the spellings are difficult, you put the heading and write the new words and behind the spellings. Thank you.